Alright, Kenise 38, I'm going to reteach you how to tape an ankle. So first thing is first, we're going to use Tough Skin, and you're going to spray it on the ankle, nice and light. Then you're going to take heel and lace pads. One goes on the top to avoid friction and cuts, and one goes on the bottom of the Achilles. Okay, after that, we're going to do pre-wrap. We're going to start from the top to the bottom. Just go all the way around and go where the pre-wrap wants to go. You don't have to pull too much pre-wrap. Keep it close to the skin. All the way around and back up and finish it. Less pre-wrap is better because the tape on the skin sticks better. Alright, and here's regular tape. We're going to do our first 2 anchors on the top at the base of the calf. One angled up, halfway, same angle, and there's 2. And then we're going to do the bottom base, okay? So your toes aren't pointed this way, they're more at an angle. So underneath here, we find this little groove, which is your 5th metatarsal. I come underneath it at an angle. I take the tape and lay it where it wants to go. So it's right underneath that groove. And I take the other tape and connect them. I don't pull the tape too hard, I just lay it down. Okay, next is our stirrups. So you're gonna pull on your stirrup on the medial side. You're gonna go over the medial malleolus. You're gonna pull and go straight up the other side. Break it and you're attach that right there. And you do 3 of these. Okay, they're going to be at angles the second one. Like this, but staying even underneath here. And pulling to the other side halfway down. See how, here's the first one and then the second one. So then the third one is going to go immediately behind, staying even through the heel and up. So we've just made a fan. 1, 2, and 3. And then we need to lock these stirrups in. So we're going to do closing strips all the way down to the start of your anchor. So 1, always half, make sure you don't have any wrinkles. That was 2. See, I'm changing my angle because it's bigger on the bottom than on the top. Now we go into C-strips, where you come from underneath and you lay it to the foot anchor and you break it to the other side of the foot anchor. They do not have to touch. And you're going to go all the way to the base of the heel. At half. 2. So these can range from 3 to 4 C-strips depending on the person. And that's as far as down you go. Then we're going to do the heel lock, okay? So here's your medial malleolus. You're going to go on the layer tape on top. You're going to go straight down. You're going to pull towards you, up and around, and see I'm covering that hole. And back on top, and I'm going to go around the ankle to lock it in. Okay. Alright, now we're going to do a lateral heel lock. So here's that lateral malleolus. Starting position, go behind it, straight down, towards me, and up. Staying below that fifth, and pulling it up, and locking it in. Keep your foot up. Okay, so that's the lateral heel lock. You came down, around, up, and over. And then we close it up with 3 to 4 closing strips going up the ankle. And always half over. And that's an ankle tape job, basic ankle.